Snap off the stem ends from the green beans, or you can do it more quickly by bunching them all up together and then cutting off all the stems at once. Blanch the beans in a big pot of rapidly boiling salty water for about 2 minutes and then shock them in an ice bath. Next, place the shucked corn cobs in the boiling water, and once the beans have cooled, you can remove those from the ice bath and then transfer the corn cobs to the ice bath to cool off. Next, chop up a whole mess of fresh herbs. I'm using chives, chervil, parsley, lemon thyme, and basil, but really any fresh herb will be lovely. Place a small bowl inside of a big bowl, and then prop a corn cob on top, and then run your knife down to remove the kernels from each one. Next, melt the butter in a large sauté pan, add the green beans and then the corn, season it up with salt and pepper, and then toss everything around until the vegetables are warmed through. Right before serving, shower with the fresh herbs, and then toss around to incorporate and serve it up right out of the pan.
So fresh, so summery, so buttery.